Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about 2018 GATE question on out of plane eccentric welded connection. Okay, go through these two questions. Basically these two questions are on one concept only, same concept. These two questions are on same concept, that is type 2 eccentric welded connection, means out of plane eccentric loading. Is that clear? So these two questions are mainly these two questions are from 2018 GATE morning session and afternoon session for 1 mark. Each question carries 1 mark here. As I said, these two questions are on same concept, that is out of plane eccentric load. Okay, out of plane eccentric load, or you can say type 2. Okay, type 2. Now see this question. Very simple question. Both are simple question. So see here, first question. Let me start with this question. Later we proceed to that question. So in a fillet weld, the direct shear stress and bending stresses are 50 MPa and 150 MPa. These are the values given in the question. Now shear force we represent with Q. So Q how much? 50 MPa. Now normal stress we represent with F. So F is how much? 150 MPa. So Q is 50 MPa and F is 150 MPa. Now what is asking? As per IS 800 2007 means a limit state code, the equivalent stress in MPa will be. So equivalent stress formula. Equivalent stress we represent with Fe. So equivalent stress formula mentioned in that code book is F square plus 3Q square. Upon simplifying these values, we will get the answer. That is F is how much? 150 square plus 3 into Q is how much? 50 square. So upon simplifying, we will get equivalent stress as 173.21 MPa. This is the answer. Clear? As I said, very simple question. Within one line, we can solve this. Okay, within one line, we can solve this. In the same way, try to solve this question also. Anyhow, we'll discuss it. So in this question also, what are the given information? So factored normal and shear stress. In this question also, normal stress and shear stress was given. So how much the normal stress? Normal stress F is equal to 120 MPa and shear stress Q is equal to 50 MPa. Now here also is asking us to find the shear stress in MPa. Sorry, equivalent stress in MPa. So equivalent stress mentioned in the code is nothing but under root F square plus 3Q square, which is equal to under root 120 square plus 3 into 50 square. So upon simplifying, we get the answer. So upon simplification, we will get this equivalent stress as 147.98 MPa. Okay, 147.98 MPa. Is a clear? Very simple question. But even in theoretical part also, I have mentioned very clearly that this model from welded connections has gained weightage, or it became popular in recent time. That is the reason you need to concentrate more and more on this type of models. Okay, take it off.